going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's a nice cool day out. So I figure, hey, why not take advantage of this cooler weather while we have it, because normally it's like 100+ degrees out and right now it's around 80-ish. So I'm trying to take advantage of that. So today we're going to be putting on the front bumper and the fenders, so hopefully everything will line up correctly. I know with the fiberglass stuff you kind of have to rearrange it and maybe make some holes bigger and stuff like that. So I got the homie Martin coming through in a little bit. He should be on the way. I guess just go ahead and get started. Pulled out. I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit. I did start it up yesterday, just get the juices flowing. I did clean my cold air intake filter. I gotta actually take that off and spray the K&N oil on there. And I still gotta fix the exhaust because if you can see, it's hitting up against the diffuser. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. But aside from that, yeah, we should be good to go. And yeah, it's super dirty in here. I want to put the car together so that way I can actually clean it and everything. Pretty filthy in here, as well as the outside too. Look at the wheels.
Ew, nasty.
Disgusting. I'll start bringing down the stuff in the garage so that way we can start as soon as possible. Martin just showed up. Yo, man, these taillights look crazy, man. How they fit? They fit all right?
Yeah, they're good.
Not bad, man. It goes with the whole car too, because you know how you got the carbon and stuff?
Yeah, I had to take off the other plate though, because there was too much red in the back.
You got the grill or what?
Yeah, it's back there.
Literally a whole bunch of them. Sheesh. Damn, man. How much you charge to paint?
150.
Damn, that's not bad, man. All right, guys, so I finished everything up, super sweaty. Martin came through and helped out, but man, I can't believe it. Like the Fitment and everything looks amazing. Yeah, let me hit you guys with some cinematic shots first, and then I'll talk to you guys about everything. Did have some fitment issues on the passenger side. So what was going on was this gap here was a little bit bigger than the bottom, but we quickly decided that a spacer or two will definitely fit that up. Plus when it gets painted, it will be a little thicker. I went to Danny's to drill these out for the side markers, so everything is good on that. But yeah, front bumper looks good. I'm super happy with how everything came out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I have to get everything painted. I'm just gonna be painting the fenders and the bumper. The hood, I don't know if I'm keeping yet, so I'm probably just gonna leave that the color that it is. As you know, I'm trying to get a carbon one, so that is the plan. But yo, shout out to Martin for helping me put everything on. It was kind of a pain in the ass, only because it's like 100+ degrees out, like no joking. And then also, my boy Leon, he wanted me to shout out his build, so I'll go ahead and put some either video clips or pictures up. I think his name should have got an SI, so I'll post pictures, videos here so you guys can see what the build is. He just finished up his full paint job and it looks really, really good. So hopefully we can get my car to kind of look like that. But yeah, aside from that, this is gonna be it for the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse and everything like that. Next up is paint, and then I actually have to look for a front lip as well. So yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell me what you guys think down below in the comments. Enjoy the rest of your guys' day, and I will see you guys in the next video.